Hey guys, this is Taylor with GloFX, and I just want to give you a quick little overview of our Space Whip series. Our Space Whips come in multiple different types of variations and styles, but these are our three best sellers. We have our full size, our regular Elite 360 Onyx, and our Elite 360 Nano. For those of you who don't know, a Space Whip consists of 1 to 5 bundles of fiber optics and an either silver or onyx LED powerhouse. When you go to purchase your GloFX Space Whip, you'll arrive at different options between our preset and our customs. All of our pre-made whips include our Elite 360, Elite 360 Nano, portable, full size, and our hybrid poi sets. If you decide to purchase one of our custom Space Whips, you will be offered a plethora of different options. We have our 1 to 5 bundle option, Englow or Sparkle option, or our regular fiber or nano fiber. We also have hybrid, which is a combination of Sparkle and Englow. All of our single bundled whips will be included with a bearing that allows the bundle to free spin from the powerhouse. A double whip is 2 powerhouses put together using an adapter to create a dual-sided whip effect. All of our Space Whips, whether pre-made or custom, will come with a 36 mode LED powerhouse, including red, green, blue, and every color combination in between. All of our Space Whips are powered by 3 AAA batteries, which are included with your Space Whip, along with a lifetime warranty, and are handmade in the USA. Thanks for watching.